pa sa kanya. Siyempre, kayang-kaya. Okay, candidate number 2. One piece, 1K.
Yes, okay,
Oo.
next.
Up next, hello!
Dito ma'am, center stage,
Good morning,
please.
nice boss!
Model, yan, turn around. Ah, very nice. Thank you so much. Next.
ありがとうございます。チョッパー。
会場は終わりはないだ
Translate, ano sabi?
Sabi niya, ako na yung winner. Ano sinabi mo?
Ano sabi?
Japanese pa yun.
Japanese.
Alright,
Sorry.
take the stage.
Okay, model. Kasi naman pa yung sorry. Thank you so much. Next one, sir. Naku, mag-ingat ka siya, isang data.
Oo nga, tatlo pa.
Noah! Zoro!
Ang gusto ko ay Zoro, napaka-ano niya, napaka-caring at share niya yung swords niya dito sa
Share
top
your
ng
sword.
camera. So we have Zoro, and who are you?
Mamaya pa ulit.
Okay na. Delgado, 0918, nakaloka. Okay.
May Galvin,
Sir, character ba?
Di ba naman may Galvin Delgado sa One Piece ha? Bagong character. Okay, go.
Cosplay ni Pineapple Pereira. I'm cosplaying as Babono Watson.
Yan. O sige, game. Model. Hi. Nag-cutean na.
Sabi niya, ako ang tunay na
Kasi
Zoro.
napagka-color pa kayo ng costume.
Si Zoro din kasi yan
Magka-color
isa.
silang costume eh. Okay, next one.
Okay, go.
I'm cosplaying Lord of Prada.
Alright, take the stage. Siya yung pinaka-in character. Tapos yung espada ni Zoro nandito. Ngipin niya. Okay. Ito na.
May furry.
Finally,
May furry
we
pet.
have Luffy and Zoro. Hello.
Ohio, minasan! Luffy! And your pet is in Zoro!
Hi, Zoro. Alright, Luffy, Zoro, let's go.
They also ran what category? 1K? 1K. Thank you so much!
Thank you. Good job, Zoro.
Okay, next natin. Put the hat on. Minasan! Luffy! Go!
Rika.
Thank you so much! Also finishing the race. Next natin.
Another Zoro.
Another
Yes.
Zoro.
Alright.
Santori! Kaso, ako yung Arlong Parto, aka Padusori. 5K po,
Ayan, thank you so much! Hindi mo siya na-boss. Ito pa, oh.
Oh.
Huh?
So pag nanalo siya ng cash prize mamaya, may pambili na siya ng pangalawang espada, di ba?
Correct. May
Oh.
budget na. Next one, we have
Okay,
another.
next.
Ohio, kasama sa
Haizuku Oranano! I rank 10A po.
Congratulations!
Yes! Okay!
Okay.
Oh! Yes!
Yes!
Panalan niyo na ako please, first time ko to.
Nakapalipas ka. Okay, next one. Ito na ang pinaka-cute natin na Chopper! Maya Sabine. Hi, Chopper!
Hello, Chopper! You wanna say hi, everybody?
Hi, Chopper! Tinitingnan niya yung mga characters eh. Ayan.
Ano po name ni Chopper? Ano po yung real name ni Chopper? Caleb K. Good
Hello,
job,
Chopper!
Caleb!
Tumakbo rin sila ng 1K. Okay. 3K pala.
Oh, wow. 3K.
Okay, next one. Sino pa po next?
Another Luffy.
Wow, let's go. Another Luffy.
Pwede rin
Go,
dito.
Luffy.
Hello!
Monkey Luffy.
Come on, says Monkey D. Luffy, take the stage!
So nice!
In fairness, the competition is tight. Alright, another Luffy. Come up and join us.
Monkey D. Luffy! Alright, kahit ako rin tayo! Yo! Minamyo Shimawa! Hay na po! Pulo! Wala! Oba!
Sabi niya, Risa, ang ganda mo daw.
Thank you so much. Ang haba nun ah, yun ang pala yung
Oh,
translation
no,
niya.
Kaiser Paninada. He wants to be a pirate.
Ah,
Go,
parang pangalaman
Luffy.
niya, they're
Yes.
contestant. Ang galing
Okay,
naman.
pang ilang Luffy na natin to?
Oo, yun, next. Nalilito na ako.
Pang 5 bulan. Okay, hello po.
Luffy, again, go!
Monkey D. Luffy! Kahit ba din nga! Yes! Sakanda! Nakaman!
Thank you so much!
Luffy.
I love talaga that they are very much interactive. We're not
Oh.
done yet. Ito pa, next, go!
Alright! Luffy! Whatever happens, I'll wait in wonder! See you in wonder!
Thank you so much! Ladies, huwag na kayong mahiya. The girls.
Oh wait, we're not yet done. We're not yet done.
Sabi nyo ha, may mga girls tayo!
Oh, wow naman.
Yan. Sila yun, di ba yun?
Oo,
Ah.
mga ano natin, mga beauty pageant candidates. What are your names in character?
I'm Nico Robin. And work please.
Sino yung tunay na Robin? Hala.
Oh, sige lang, let's
Patunayan niyo sa amin yan. Rumanta kayo kung sino ang tunay na
Oh,
Robin.
sige lang. Turn around. Ay, ang galing naman. Next one. Wow. Ah, galing pala. Next year.
Pwede ka na rin
Next
mag-Robin,
year
Lisa.
pa
Oo.
pag-antayin yung costume ko.
Palitan mo na yung pangalan. Pero mas bagay sa Chopper.
Yes, maganda ako. Ano yung Frankie ako, Frankie. Okay, next time po.
Yes.
Ma'am, sige po.
Nag-video siya eh. Sinorbo mo. Hello. What is your name?
Hi, Masay ko Sina. I am an expert scholar cosplaying as Robin Moore.
Robin din. Pero sa ibang mall siya nag-shopping para sa ganun. Alright, Robin, take it away.
Wow.
Yun.
Yay! And you also ran which category? 10-kilometer finisher.
Ano naman talaga si Robin?
Okay, I think we have a few more. Yes, sir. Up, please.
Wow.
Ito, grabe.
yan naman nila eh,
Correct,
no?
ano yun? Very, ano naman pala kanilang knowledge of the
Oo nga
Japanese
eh.
language.
Siya,
Ano
minasa,
sabi? Ano
yung
sabi
mo
niya?
din. Sabi niya, ang ganda mo rin,
Ako?
Lisa. Oo, yun talaga. Paulit-ulit
Honest na
lang.
mga contestant natin dito. Diyos ko po.
Sumisip lang sila sa inyo. Okay.
And last but not the least,
Oh.
another Luffy.
Galingan mo ah, dapat unique to. Ang dami ng Luffy na dumaan bago kayo dito. Okay.
Tagalogin ko na lang.
Tagalog version.
Ang Philippine, gama-gama na!
Ano pong kilometer ang tinakpan mong category? 10K finisher.
Oh, iba rin.
Thank you! Maraming salamat! Palakpakan naman natin our fellow runners in costumes. Okay, so this is gonna be real hard.
This is gonna be a tough one for
Kailangan
sure.
may manalo. Ang dami nila talagang really nice.
Ilan po ba yung cash prizes? Ay, nako, wait
Kasali ba
lang.
to?
Wait lang. My last minute.
Sasali ba siya?
Teka lang.
Oh. Dito po, sir. Let's make way for Chopper! Pag ito nakapagsalita, sinasabi ko sa inyo. Etong manalo, wag ka nagsalita. Wait nyo.
Sopa! Ohio! Good morning.
Center, please! Chopper! Another Chopper! Tingnan mo yung baby!
Chopper, tumakbo ka ba talaga kanina?
Kuya, ito na si Chopper.
Oo nga. Ano yung reaction ni Dogo Zoro? Okay lang po ba si Dogo Zoro? Ay, natutuwa siya. In fairness.
Chopper!
Approve.
Welcome!
Welcome. Okay, I think we have one more Zoro as well joining us. Yes? Sali po ba kayo?
Sana kung hindi nyo na pumamasamain,
Oh,
kayo naman po
hi.
alam.
Okay, give us your best Zoro walking
Ito
pose.
marami tong sandata. AKA?
Tapos din yung Ramason.
Yeah. Show off your swords. Hawak niyo lang ang asa. Ay, yung facial expression. Tingnan nyo. Oh.
Face card lang daw siya. Oh.
Kita niyo yun? Thank you so much to our cosplayers, our runners in costumes. We'll try our best. Na makapilit among them kasi again, a lot, and if not, all of them are so deserving.
How many winners are we choosing for this?
We'll pick three.
3.
Three winners.
Okay.
So,
Tatlo.
palakpakan system na lang po. If you feel they're giving their best in their outfit and their impersonations,
Mahirap to.
malakas
Okay.
sa palakpakan.
So audience impact na sa inyo, nakasalalay ang kanilang destiny.
Okay,
Wow.
let's start off from this end. Again,
Alright.
Luffy! Thank you so much. Next is
Robin.
Robin!
Candidate number 2 na lang.
Sige. Candidate number 3!
Lucy.
Wow! Fan favorite ko. Candidate number 4! Wow! I like it. Candidate number 5! Candidate number 6! Ay, ito magaling ko kanina. Candidate number 7! Our little Luffy! Candidate number 8! Nagtabi-tabi pa yung mga Luffy. Yan. Candidate number 9! Mini Chopper! Mini Chopper!
Pumapalakpak din.
She is loving it. Girl ba to? Abot lang.
He loves the attention.
He does. He's made for the stage.
Alright.
Candidate number? Ilan na po ba?
Oh,
10.
10.
With the doggy. Candidate number 11. Giant
Ito talagang effort na effort, no? Tumakbo ka ba talaga ng ganyan kanina? Candidate number 12.
12,000. Love lang yan. Thank you, ma'am. Candidate number 13.
Maawa daw kayo sa kanya para makabili siya ng bagong shorts.
Pero ganda. Okay, candidate number 14. Ma'am, candidate number 15. Another chopper. Candidate number 16. Yan, thank you so much. Candidate number 17. Oh, hindi pa. Oh, hindi pala. Akala ko words na. Yan. Candidate number, ano ba? 18.
Okay po. Next go.
Mr. Reynaldo. Sasakyan, nagmamadali ka? Lakad? Walang traffic?
Naka-waste si Zoro.
Sabi niya, bilisan mo naman.
Hindi, siya na yung magna-navigate ng ship nila.
Navigation. Akala ko nagmamadali. Magantay na yung driver. Okay, candidate number 20. Another Zoro.
19 pa lang.
Ay, 19. I'm so sorry. 19. The face. Yung the face. Yan.
Yun. Fierce. Okay, eto rin. Iba rin yung the face card dito. Candidate number 20. Oh, wow. Oh, wow, oh, wow. Pero syempre, hindi magpapatalo dyan ang candidate number 21.
Gusto ko lang isa pa yung videographer kasi kukulan sila. Ang ganda-ganda nila tingnan. One more time! Para our photo and video can capture everyone from here up on stage. Ready? Go! Love it!
Alam mo
Thank you
dapat,
so much!
dapat si Frankie na lang mag-lead ng warm-up and cool-down next time. Pili ko okay rin yan para sa runners natin, di ba? Mag-apply ka na sa Anytime Fitness.
Okay, now we are going to turn down our contestants to
Ooh.
top 5.
Top 5,
And then
okay.
from there, we'll decide our top 3. So kapag tinawag ko, if I call on you, please step forward. Our first finalist is Baby Chopper. Second is Luffy number 10 with Doggy. Then, 11 Chopper. Yung pinakamalaking Chopper. Yan. Number 20, Brooke. And number 21, Frankie. For our other runners and costumes, palakpakan naman po natin din sila. Thank you so much.
Thank you guys. Arigatou gozaimasu. Otsukare desu. Thank you very much for joining us. You guys still look absolutely fantabulous. I'm sure the photos and videos are going to look great. But for now, give it up for your top 5.
We appreciate everyone's effort, even those that are wearing hats, ano pa ba, their bandanas. Wonderful, really nice. But we have to pick our top 3.
Okay.
So another round of
So
palakpakan.
sila pa rin, sila ang judges natin ngayon. Kayo ang magiging hurado natin for this top 5 down to top 3 is the goal. So why don't we start